And this is the FI25N. The FI25N has a see-through tank, a hinged lid, and built-in hose storage. This is the hinged backplate, and this is the quick change pump. No tools required, except these. We make the FI25N, and the FI25N makes foam. You control the foam with this, and adjust it like this. This